Okay, we got a 2014 E-Z-GO here. We're gonna replace this folding tinted windshield. Picked up one online. It was like $100. This one, I think it's about, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 years old, but it's cracked right here. And I think what happened is it got broken when someone was pushing it on the windshield. But anyway, they're relatively cheap, so we're going to take this one off and see if this new one fits it and go from there. Alright, well, looks like it just got a couple bolts on the bottom and then this clip. Looks like 7/16. Alright. Alright, so it is not 7/16. Maybe it is metric. Alright, we're going to try a 10 on it. 10 millimeter, okay. So it's a bolt and washers on each side and then like a rubber grommet. So that's what we got coming off. And this clip right here. So do the other side. Oh, the other side's missing and not already. Alright, it's ready to come off. Missing hardware on that side, but it's off. Now I think this just pulls off. Don't know, but I'll find out. If you're interested in saving those plastic pieces, definitely take it easy on them. I think what we'll do is we'll just wipe the frame down real quick and work with the new windshield on it. Alright. Probably the only time I'm ever going to get in there to be able to clean this. Some sap on the trees or something. Alright, that's clean. Alright, so this package actually looks like it's pretty well. You can also tell with this, the way this is curved right here, that it fits the 2014 because they changed the body, I believe, for 2014 and on for the TXT. Luckily, you know, it came with this hardware. Looks like I might have to reuse those rubber pieces. I am not seeing them. Oh, they're already on the windshield. Okay, so we got some of them. So we're good. And these things look pretty much identical to the ones that came off. Yeah. Them are the same. So. Alright. I'm assuming that we're just going to leave this film on here for the most part until the windshield's installed. I'm just backing it off a little bit so I can put this piece on without it getting stuck under the protective film. Let's see. Yep, it looks like it's right above the notch. And it's tight. Alright. I'm just gonna flip this around. Pull back the film. Put this on about the same distance. Okay. And get these rubber grommets ready. I think I dropped the other one. Pick that up. Okay. Okay, so I just clipped that left side in all the way. Now I just got to bring it down, put this rubber grommet on the windshield, pull the bolt out, stick the grommet in here. Push it over, line up the hole. Alright, put a washer on it. Start the nut. Same thing for the other side. Just clip in the plastic, raise this up so the grommet hole line up. lose this stuff here in the grass. Okay, let's see if they change the size or if it's still 10. If you guys got any Loctite, you might want to put some blue Loctite on it. That might have been how I lost this nut before. Okay, that's it. All we gotta do now is peel off the protective film. And you know, maybe some of these old rubber parts are actually worth saving. Somebody, you know, at the campground or whatever, they may need them. All right, so just pull those back, flip those right on. You need the back one first? One first? Okay, so that's it. I don't know if the camera just caught that, but electricity just shot from there to the windshield from my finger. Pretty cool. I got a little piece of film stuck over here under this. I'll get it out later. See those two rubber stoppers or anti-rattle like bumpers right there? That's kind of nice, and hopefully this thing's gonna last a long time. Thanks for watching. Get you in here to take a look at that. It looks nice.